Welcome guys to another episode of SideHustleGarage. Okay, here we're excited for this one. Excited for that. Do apologize, perhaps with the sound quality due to the weather, but we're gonna try and make it work. We were supposed to do another video, but that fell by the wayside due to the weather. But fortunately enough, we had a awesome dude that came to our rescue so that we can have a feature for you guys this weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed that. First off, from the get-go, I'm going to say you guys must subscribe now. Please can I need that subscriptions and link to the car. But nonetheless, we're here today. BMW land. Okay, there's a bakkie. There's a BM. There's nog een BM achtertij. E30. One series. So you guys obviously there's another project coming. And yeah, there's one of our crew members. And here we have some spin cars from Team Lagarde. I think this is the easiest one, if I'm correct. And also Team Lagarde's E30. Not sure what's under the hood, but the man of the hour here today, the legend himself, Craig Miles. And this is the car that we're going to feature. The badge is E325i, but we'll get to that at a later stage, what exactly is happening. Fonzo, Amdias, Noor, Craig, how are you, Buta? How are you, my bro? We're gonna be, this is a star in the making. Star in the making, inshallah, soon we'll be seeing him. But Craig, shukran for having us here, man. It's been a long time coming. Huge fan of your work and everything you do. And everybody knows you as a BM specialist. No specialist. No specialist. What have you got here? What have you got here? Looks like a standard E30 325i. That's what the badge says.
Yeah, no, it's a standard.
What model car is this, Buta?
Oh, I'm not sure. I think it's 89.
89 model. How long have you got this car now?
I think I have this car 13 or 14 years.
Yes, like a Buta. And I'm assuming when you had it initially, it did not look like this?
No, it definitely did not. That was actually a mint car.
Yeah.
It's looking like this. Now, all the views from the spinning.
Yeah. Initially, what engine did you have in here?
I went to the M50, M52, M50.
Yeah. But when you bought it, what engine was in it initially?
It was the distributor in the block, the 320.
320.
320. Yeah. Sorry, 320.
The original 320. And how long were you driving it like at with the 320?
No, I never even drove it. As soon as I bought it, then I just took it out there and I just Multivalve straight.
So where did the love for BMW start? Judging by the other cars that's here. Check this one. What is it with the VL1UZ VVTi?
Yeah, 1UZ.
And if that is not enough power, we have this little slucky here, but we'll get to that at a later stage. Yeah, like your first car ever you purchased, Buta, that was yours.
That was Forenza.
Chevy Forenza.
1300.
The 1300. Richtig. And like where did the BMW scene come from? I'm sure you must have seen it like.
I bought my first was an E46.
E46
yeah,
initially.
318. Yeah.
318. Ah yes.
And I had that car probably like 5 or 6 years. And from there went 6, 7.
And it was, I'm assuming it was just like a driving car, judging by the engine size. It wasn't like for performance.
It
was a driving car. Yeah. Hectic. Now look here, the roots run deep here with E30. As you guys know, South Africans at large, the E30 is cemented in car culture. You know, be it for stunts, drifting, drags, spinning, you name it. It's an iconic South African vehicle. But so let's get into it. Okay, you're running your standard bottle cap wheels here, no?
Yeah, standard bottle caps.
Yeah. Interior still everything stock. This doesn't look the original seat. This look
E46 seats.
E46 seats, and still the original seats at the back. So trimmings there's not too much of. It's like just the bare essentials. It is a road car.
It's actually still a full car.
Still full car. And I mean, there's licenses on the road and everything. As a daily driver, you can. Yeah. Lekker Buta. So let's show us what's popping under the hood, X here. Popping under the hood, Kazi. Holly couldn't wait for this one, eh? Buta ran us through us because I don't know what's happening here.
It's just an M52 when I done the throttle modifications. I added the throttles on the 50s.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's just bored out to 68.
Yeah.
Just standard head and all that, no cams, original.
So
cams.
no head work done.
No head work. It's actually stock.
Is it? Who fabricated the throttle, the intake for you though?
Actually, it was my idea. I had everything cut, then Watchfoot, and then Ricky Bloom.
Yeah.
He helped me with the welding and helped me put everything together.
Yeah. What size throttles are these?
It's 50s.
It's 50s. Yeah. I'm assuming it's from M3.
Yeah.
The M3 50mm throttles. And mounts? Do you have any?
Mount is e36 mount. E36. Yeah.
Any custom welding stuff that had to take place there?
No, not really.
No. Legit, and I mean
straightforward and just relocating things.
Yeah. And you didn't even need to cut away the firewall.
No cutting on the firewall, no cutting, moving the booster, nothing like that.
So still the original booster. Radiator.
Yeah.
From which car is the radiator though?
This is a plastic bumpers radiator.
So still E30. And then the fan itself was also the matching fan to go with the what's the name? Hey bro, that's cutting it close, so you legit didn't have to cut anything.
Nothing.
Judging by the look about like a 20mm gap there.
Nothing.
No. So it doesn't touch like with engine flexing and all of that. It clears it.
Some modifications done to that just to.
Yeah. For sure, hectic. And
this also giving you a smooth ride, not a hard ride.
Yeah.
No vibration really through the body.
Yeah, hectic. Nah, that's quite good. Figures?
176 the last time I had it.
Yeah. Tuner, who's your tuner there?
Nothing.
Oh, shout out to the Zimo. Put the Zimo over the Mikey.
The Zimo does all my.
Yeah. Standard suspension, so I'm assuming.
Stock standard.
Drivetrain, Buta?
318 gearbox and then original.
Yeah. 318 from the E36 or E36 318 gearbox. Does it fit just like that? Or do they have to customize?
Straight.
Yeah. Hectic, man. Nice. And yeah, I'm assuming that is also stuck at the back. Yeah. The differential and all of that. Nice, but so start them up, let's hear there. What management are you running, Buta?
Dicatator.
60 minus 2. Yeah, it's not the same now if you're running anything else. But if it doesn't have launch control. I see a lot of guys opting for Spatronics as of lately, eh? Yeah. The other cars. So there you guys have it for the man, the great Build. Super awesome. And what we like about the cars, you look at the car, it looks like a standard E30 rolling down the road, and I'm pretty sure you guys want to see what he does. The Craig is not the man for many words, and I have to give him the credit. Like, he won't blow his own horn, he won't give him his own credit and tell you guys what exactly he's been doing. Yeah, he's been on the scene for quite some time, and he helps a lot of guys. The way it works is, from now on, we try to choose. Yeah, we put it out there, we're looking for guys to do features with, but we, at the end of the day, we have to, like, you know, narrow it down who we're gonna do the feature with. And we just felt it's just right to do it with Craig. He's such a humble dude, you know. But he's always like behind the scenes, like, he shies away from the camera, if I can put it to you guys that way. Yeah, he's like an awesome dude, and he's always like very willing to help and give advice. And yeah, being that the car community is so cool here in Utrecht, you know, it's impossible not to know other dudes, and you bump into each other at events, being at dyno events, spinning, the track events, whatever the case may be, and we bumped into a few times. Awesome dude. Do give him a shout out. Shout out to Butakari. He's not listening or hearing this, but I'm giving him a shout out because he's probably gonna, like, I don't know how to react to a compliment, but he's very inspiring for us with his builds, and he's always there to give advice and parts. If you need like parts, like if you the guy up there or need advice, yeah, I started off small, like same like we're doing, and it's always willing there to help others. Yeah, I mean, space. That's upcoming build. I think it's going in Junaid's car. There's one use here. This was the non-VVTi, and this one here is the VVTi. In this shape BMW. What shape is this? I don't even know. But that shape, that correct, what's the shape was the?
That's for the lion.
What the hell? My bro, you can't with a chubby. All I can ask you, you say the dog is tied up?
He's not tied up either.
He's not tied up. So, some makeshift cover there. So yeah, let's get going. Let's check out, do some rolling shots for you guys. Yeah.
Go home now.
Nee. Zo moeten krijgen was lekker. As is hier bij Malabar, like.
That's Malabar.
That was lekker. Thank you very much for that awesome experience.
Rest on your pleasure. I'll let him hide over.
Where is he sitting now? Off. there you guys have it. The reason why I couldn't go any further because the tire is like on its last. I would have loved to actually flip it, but at least I had a feel for the car. So I'm gonna give again a huge shout out to Craig and for sticking out the last minute. And Harley, appreciate it, boy. No. Craig, shukran. Highly appreciate it, man. And show you guys some love. I'm the with him, I don't know he taught me, bro. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Do leave a like, feel free to comment whatever you want to comment, your heart's content. Say net wat ze wil. I'll reply as fast as possible. Now guys, thanks again for all the love and support. And if you do want a feature, you can just hit us up. And I don't know where the notion comes from that we're charging for this. No, we're not. We just enjoy putting out content there for you guys and putting local cars like this on the map. Your build, if you want to feature your build, do hit us up now. Peace. That's lovely, guys. Safe.